How to activate Indigo Mastercard Online. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you on activating your Indigo Mastercard Online. So watch the video until the very end and remember to subscribe to our channel. To begin, open your preferred web browser and in the URL box, type in Activate Indigo Mastercard. Then hit enter in your keyboard. When it comes to activating your Indigo Mastercard, you have two options, the online or over the phone by calling the number, and to activate the online, visit indigo.myfinanceservice.com/activate in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across this kind of interface with the login portal. If you already have an account, you can easily enter your username in the first field followed by the correct form of your password in the second field and then click on login that is highlighted in orange color. This way you will be able to log into your existing account, and if you haven't registered for an Indigo account yet, you can go ahead and click on register your account option. Then if you already have a MasterCard, you can click on yes, I have my card number, and if you do not, click on this option over here. Now enter your card number, your correct form of your date of birth, and your social security number. After you do that, click on continue to the next step and follow the prompts and your Indigo Mastercard will be activated online easily. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.